So what's up? I am back, y'all. You know what it do. 360 HD Butta Lace Unit 4. Okay? So let's get into the specs of this joint. Alright. Now, this is straight out the box. You see it came with baby hair. 360 lace all the way around the unit. It is a T-part steel. 3 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the back. Has an adjustable band for glueless install, as well as the adjustable straps. Okay, it was a nice fit. I'd say small to medium head friendly. The hair was really soft and it was really nice to install. Okay, you know who the fuck it is.
Yo, S.I.
Smart Brothers mixtape, nigga.
Yo, put that juicy on them. Do it like I own it.
Alright, so let's get into this install. Now I'm just cutting the lace off camera. I did make sure to pluck as well as use a concealer so that my unit will look or match my color. Okay, I did install a cap so that the unit lasts longer. And so right now what I'm doing is bringing out those baby hairs, because this time I want to keep them. This is my first time ever doing baby hairs, and I'm hoping that I'm able to achieve the look I was looking for. So right now I am using the Ebon Red Active glue. I'm only doing 1 to 2 layers, and I'm doing this while it's on my head. Yes, I am doing this while it's on my head, and the reason I'm doing that is so that I can get a nice snug fit, and it works for quick installs. So say you don't want to wear it for a week or 2, this works great for at least a few days, and it will be on there. Okay, be careful when you're installing it like this. Make sure when you're applying your layers of glue, they are very thin. As you can see, you can barely tell I even put glue on there. Also, the thinner the glue, the less you'll have to use a blow dryer. Little known fact, blow drying too much will give you irritation in the long run with your unit, especially if you're using glue. So I find that it comes out with a lot cleaner, a lot longer lasting install when you're not using a blow dryer so much. If you do, use it on cool. And so as you can see, I am just going through combing my edges so that they are not like stuck to my forehead or really flat on my forehead or anything like that, because even if I didn't want to keep my edges out, I don't want it to look like it's not coming out my scalp by it being stuck. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. And thank you for watching. For all of those that have been here with me, thank you for rocking with me. So let's get back into this. I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side as I did on the right side. Okay, now I'm on the left, going through, doing the same exact thing, making sure my layers are thin, making sure I'm combing those edges, as well as making sure that I'm pulling the edges that I want to keep out so that they don't get stuck to my edges, I guess you want to say, or get stuck to the edge of the unit. And so I'm bringing those edges out because, like I said, I want them out. So I'm bringing them out, making sure that each piece is stuck on. Not my edges being stuck on, but my lace. So now I'm at the top. Make sure if you still see purple, or if you still see whatever color your glue is and it's not all the way clear, make sure you're combing it through, letting the glue dry, letting the glue set, It's important that you do that. And the reason it is so that you don't have a bulky install. You want to make sure you're not having any carpet snakes, no bulks, no caking up on the edge line, any of that. You want it to look as natural as possible. And so now I'm going through looking for each space that maybe doesn't have glue so that we can go ahead and get that taken care of. Because like I said, you want the best and ultimate melt. So now for a even more secure hold, because it was hot where I'm installing, okay? And I don't have AC. I wanted to make sure that joint stayed on. Also, this is birthday behavior hair. So yes, I want it on because it was about to be a function. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. So we just gonna go ahead and use the blow dryer on cool for maybe a couple seconds, not very long. And if you don't have AC, use a fan. Make sure a fan's near you somewhere so that you know it's continuously setting as you're installing. And look at that melt already. The melt is giving. It's look like it's coming out my skin. I'm loving that. So again, blow dry on cool. On cool. And as you can see, I'm blow drying, taking it away. Blow drying, taking it away. You don't want to blow dry too much. It will cause your unit or your edges or your lace, whatever, to cake and turn white. Don't blow dry too much. So overall, this install was really easy. If you do exactly as you're seen, you will get what you're given, okay? Look at this right here. Look at that lace, baby. Giving scalp, okay? Giving natural hairline. And you can run your fingers through it, as you can see, and I'm not getting no tangling, no shedding, or any of that. That's what I like about this unit as well. The hair was really soft, and the tangling, very, very minimal. Very minimal. As you can see, I'm playing in it and everything. This is what it looks like outside in the sun. Yes, I wanted to show you in the sun, like, because that's where it's important, right? Know what? Lace wear. Lie to me if you want to. Nikita didn't do it. As you can see, I like this unit. I suggest you go buy it. 360 Butta Lace Unit 4 by Sensational Hair. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, check out my socials as well. And I will get back with y'all at another time. Talk to y'all later.